All right, guys. So welcome to the third part of the topic, composite functions. All right. So if you have not watched the first two videos, please, that's where I really explained the concept of this particular question. Here we are just going to be applying the knowledge. All right. So now the question says, if f of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of x equals 2x minus 3 and h of x equals 5x plus 2, we have three functions. Find the value of x for which f of g equals h of g. So how do we find this question? First of all, you find f of g, we equate it to h of g, and then we get the value of x. That's simply what we are meant to do. All right. So the first thing to do is find f of g. So what is our f of g? Like I did said in the previous videos, you take the entire g and then you dunk it inside f. All right. What is the g that's been given? That's 2x minus 3. Okay. And the f you have is 3x plus 2. So of course, f is going to be the receptive. It's going to be the receptive function. So we're going to write it first of all. So f is going to be equal to what? 3x plus 2. Okay. That's f function. Then f of g just going to be 3. Whenever there's x in the f function, we just put our what? G. Simple. And g is 2x minus 3. So 3, 2x minus 3. That's all. Then this plus 2, just plus 2. That's our f of g. Then just simplify this. Open the bracket. 3 times 2. X is going to be 6x minus 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, that's going to be minus 9 plus 2. That's going to be minus 7. So that's f of g. All right. So let's go to h of g. H of g, like I said the other time, take the entire h and then dunk it inside h function. All right. So I'm going to write it h because that's the function that's going to be receiving the g functions. I'm going to write in h equals what? 5x plus 2. Then h of g equals 5. Put g inside the x position of h. Okay, that's where your g is going to be residing at. So that's going to be x 5. The x is going to be for g, and g is 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3, and of course there's this plus 2 here. Put plus 2 there. Okay, and then open the bracket and simplify. 5 times 2x is going to be 10x minus 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. Then I have 10x minus 15 plus 2 is minus 15 plus 2. That's my minus 13. Okay, that's minus 13. Now the question says to find the value of x for which f of g equals h of g. Of course, my f of g is 6x minus 7. That's 6x minus 7 equals what? My h of g 10x minus 13. You see, it's not down to algebra. All right, so collect the like terms and simplify. We have 6x here. Take plus 10 to this side, it becomes minus 10x equals right minus 13 there. And then take minus 7 over to the other side, it becomes plus 7. So that's that. 6x minus 10x, that's minus 4x. 7 minus 13, that's going to be minus 6, right? And then so we cancel the negative signs, and then we have 4x equals 6. X is going to be equal to 6 quarters, and that's going to give me 2 goes in 6, that's 3 times, and it goes in 4, that's 2 times. So we have 3 halves, or 1.5 if you want. So that's the value of x for which f of g has to be equal to what? H of g. All right, so see you guys on the other question. Okay.